Hi everyone, I'm at the Genting Spring. As you can see behind me, we have a beautiful stream that's going through, and as you can see from behind me, it goes all the way down there. So I'm going to be videoing a few areas, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye.